Hello friends, welcome to Shofik 360 YouTube channel. How are you doing now? Today I am here for you with 12 most important useful computer keyboard shortcut. In my opinion, I hope that you must know these keyboard shortcut key if you want to feel enjoy using computer. Let's get started. Hello friends, welcome again. I am going to start my tutorial with serial number 1. Number 1 keyboard shortcut key is Window key plus Control plus D. Now I'm going to press this shortcut. Now I press it. How does actually it work? Actually, this shortcut will give you a new virtual fresh window for you. In simple way, I can say that if you are working on multiple tasks and open multiple files in your computer, suddenly someone came to you and requested you to use your computer for a moment, and also you don't want to show your files to others. At that time, what will you do? You can give them to use your computer by creating a new virtual window with this shortcut. Now you see, this is my current window which I am using now, and this is my virtual window which I created by pressing this keyword. As you are seeing that multiple files are open in my current window which one I am using now, and this one is virtual one which I created by using this shortcut key is totally empty. You can see that. Now, number 2 keyboard shortcut is Window key plus M. What is the function of this shortcut key? Actually, the function of this shortcut key is to minimize all the open windows from the computer screen together at the same time. Let's see how does it work. Now you see that I open some files in my computer screen together. Suddenly, if I need to minimize all the windows together for an emergency purpose, at that time, how can I do that? I can use this shortcut key to minimize all the windows together at the same time. Now I am pressing the shortcut key Window key plus M to minimize all these windows together. Now you see that all the windows are minimized together. Number 3. Our number 3 shortcut is Control plus Shift plus Escape key. What is the function of this shortcut key? Actually, the function of this shortcut key is to open Task Manager in the computer. Let's see that why this shortcut is useful for. For example, I am working on a project and I need to open multiple software on the computer screen, and I am working on it. Suddenly, let's say that one of the software is hanged. I cannot close that software, and also my mouse is not working on that software. In that case, how can I solve that problem? I can use this shortcut key to open Task Manager, and also I can close that software from the Task Manager like this way. Number 4 window shortcut is Window key plus A. What is the function of this shortcut key? Actually, this shortcut is used to open Windows Notification Manager. Let's see how does it work. Now I'm going to press this shortcut key, Windows key plus A. Now you can see that Notification Manager is open here. You can use this shortcut key to open this Notification Manager easily. Now let's go to number 5 keyboard shortcut. Number 5 keyboard shortcut is Windows key plus I. Now let's see what is the function of this shortcut key. I am going to press this shortcut key, Windows key plus I. Let's see what is appeared by this shortcut. Now you can see that Windows setting is open by this shortcut. That means you can use this shortcut to open the Windows setting.